Enabling or disabling Face ID for iPhone Unlock on your iPhone 15 allows you to quickly and securely access your device using facial recognition, enhancing convenience while maintaining strong security. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode when prompted. At the top of the screen, you'll see Use Face ID for. Locate iPhone Unlock in this list. To enable or disable Face ID for unlocking your iPhone, tap the toggle switch next to iPhone Unlock. If you haven't set up Face ID yet, tapping this option will prompt you to set it up. In this case, tap Get Started to begin the Face ID setup process. If Face ID is already set up, simply tapping the toggle will turn the feature on or off. Once you've made your selection, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. If you want to revert back to your previous Face ID settings, just repeat the same steps and apply necessary changes. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.